Glue for wood-to-metal assemblies spans cyanoacrylate, epoxy, and specialty adhesives. The correct choice balances bond strength, gap tolerance, cure time, temperature exposure, and substrate compatibility. In this review, I tested 5 popular formulations across the categories of fast-setting cyanoacrylate, multi-surface epoxy, and heavy-duty epoxies designed for metals, then evaluated ease of use.
List number 1. 2-pack metal glue. Cliny Magny presents a 2-pack, 25-gram metal adhesive system marketed for metal-to-metal and multi-material bonds with a clear, high-viscosity formula intended for quick repairs. The packaging emphasizes leak-proof design and a precision applicator for controlled application. The formulation is cyanoacrylate-based, designed to cure rapidly and dry clear, with stated heat resistance and waterproof properties to withstand common environmental conditions. The product shows versatility across metals and non-metal substrates like rubber, wood, epoxy, ABS, and PVC, while explicitly avoiding PE, PP, and some synthetic plastics. The dual-pack setup provides extra value for multiple repairs, and the rapid 5 to 10 second tack and sub-minute cure align with small repair tasks and fast DIY fixes. In practice, the precision tip aids in controlled placement, reducing squeeze-out on small joints. However, cyanoacrylates are best for clean, tight fits. Large gaps or porous surfaces benefit from surface roughening or using a gap-filling epoxy instead. The product's water resistance and heat tolerance are credible for indoor and light outdoor use, but long-term outdoor exposure or high-temp cycling could compromise a bond on lower surface energy substrates. For best results, avoid exposure to oils and ensure surfaces are dry before bonding. Clamping for 5 to 10 seconds is typically sufficient for initial hold, with full strength developing within hours depending on substrate.
List number 2. Waldo Clean Superglue for Metal 25 grams Extra Strong Metal Glue. Waldo Clean offers a 25-gram CA glue optimized for metal surfaces like stainless steel and aluminum, highlighting instant initial bond and a wide temperature range, -49 degrees Fahrenheit to 239 degrees Fahrenheit. The product is designed for vertical applications with a precision tip that minimizes dripping and clogging, supporting multi-surface compatibility, including rubber, plastic, wood, and ceramics. The anti-clog cap and long shelf life, up to 2 years, are practical for users who store adhesive between projects, while the formula emphasizes resistance to water and certain chemicals for automotive or outdoor repairs. Performance-wise, this CA glue provides fast tack and a fairly robust final bond on metal-to-metal joints, especially when surfaces are clean and snug. For large or gap-fill joints, it may perform less effectively than a well-chosen epoxy or structural adhesive. It's well-suited for quick field repairs, hobby metalwork, and cosmetic fixes, where a clear, discrete bond is desired. Users should still prep surfaces, degrease, dry, and avoid relying on CA glue for high-load structural tasks where peel or shear forces dominate.
List number 3. Gorilla's 2-part epoxy. Gorilla's 2-part epoxy kit delivers a clear, strong bond with a 5-minute set time, making it suitable for quick repairs and projects requiring minor gap filling. The dual syringe delivery ensures separate resin and hardener, promoting a consistent mix and minimizing premature curing. The epoxy is water-resistant and cures to a tough, clear finish, capable of filling gaps and joining irregular surfaces. This kit is a solid option for users needing a strong adhesive that can bond metal, wood, ceramic, and plastics with a single system. In-depth performance shows epoxy strength excels in structural tasks, especially where gap filling or bonding uneven surfaces is needed. The clear finish is aesthetically favorable for household repairs or automotive components where visibility matters. However, the 5-minute set time requires careful placement and clamp time for larger joints. Misalignment can be difficult to adjust after the resin starts to set. Epoxies generally perform better under load and heat cycling than many CA glues, but require more complete mixing and longer curing to reach full strength.
List number 4. Metal glue.
Vicpricks heavy-duty epoxy provides a large 1.76-ounce kit with a 1-to-1 mix ratio and a user-friendly mayonnaise-like consistency for easy application. It's positioned as a durable metal weld substitute with broad compatibility across metals, plastics, ceramics, and glass. The epoxy claims a very wide operating temperature range and resistance to oil, making it suitable for automotive, marine, and industrial repairs. The packaging emphasizes reuse and long-term durability, with a cure time of about 24 hours for full strength. On performance, this epoxy excels in high-load or high-temperature environments where metal-to-metal bonds must endure stress. The cured product can be drilled, sanded, and painted, which improves post-repair aesthetics. However, the set time is longer than CA glues, and the 1-to-1 mix requires careful measurement to avoid weak spots. Some users may prefer a lighter, faster setting epoxy for small repairs, but for structural or critical components, this adhesive offers robust, steel-like strength when fully cured.
List number 5. Alec's high viscosity CA glue is a 3000 CPS gel designed for filling micro gaps and precise controlled bonding on detailed parts. The product targets small gaps around 0.05 to 0.06 inches with precision micro tips for intricate work. Its all-purpose claim covers glass, metal, wood, ceramic, and more, with fast drying, 60 seconds tack, and full cure within 12 hours. The gel viscosity reduces running on vertical or worked surfaces, and the formulation emphasizes heat resistance and non-toxicity for hobbyist and professional use. In practice, this gel CA glue shines for delicate assemblies, drones, micromechanical components, and highly detailed wood or craft projects where a thin, controlled bond is required. It's less suitable for large surface joints or thick gaps, where epoxies or polyurethane glues would perform better. Users should apply sparingly to avoid white fogging or blooming on light-colored substrates, and still prep surfaces to remove oils and dust for best results. The 12-hour cure provides adequate strength for low to moderate load applications, but is not ideal for high-stress structural repairs.